Hi, my name is Jason Yeldell, and I'm the founder and owner of Yeldell Scientific, LLC. Yeldell Scientific helps clients and organizations automate their workflows, business processes, and day-to-day operations by designing, developing, and deploying custom software applications that exactly suit your business requirements, work within your existing Microsoft environment, and technical ecosystem. Our clients range from Fortune 500 corporations, small local businesses, and even single client consultants looking for an immediate result. We provide our expertise to various industries ranging from biotech, engineering, life sciences, all the way to inventory management and point of sale. Chances are that we either have an existing solution for you already or can design a custom utility, software, or app for your business in as little as 2 business days. Take a look around and don't hesitate to reach out to us at 877-935-3351 or email us at info@yeldellscientific.com.